This is Shahin. Welcome to my channel. Learn something more YouTube channel. Okay. In this class, we will discuss about intermediate first year 1A chapter number 3 matrices. Determinant of properties of determinant problems. Okay. Solve problems. So solve problem number 3. Show that determinant of 1a square a cube, 1b square b cube, 1c square c cube is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Now take LHS. LHS equal to determinant of 1a square a cube, 1b square b cube, 1c square c cube. Okay. Now you can apply in R1 minus R3, in R2 minus R3. Okay. See beta, in R1 minus R3, R1 minus R3, R1 minus R3, R1 minus R3. In R2 also, R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3. We will didn't disturb R3. Okay. Now simplify it. 0. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Here a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square ma. Okay. Next here also same process. Next b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. 1 c square and c cube. Okay. Next. See beta, from R1 you common c minus a. 0 into c minus a, c minus a only. C minus a. After that from R2 b minus c you can common. 0 a plus c, a square plus ac plus c square. Here 0 b plus c, b square plus bc plus c square, 1 c square and c cube. Correct beta? Now see here question, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here c minus a minus c, a minus c, c minus a. Almost some answer is there. Okay, b minus c, b minus c is there. Now we want a minus b. So that's why in R2 minus R1. Okay. In R2 a plus c, a square plus ac plus c square. In R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, R3 can write as it is. A minus c into b minus c into 0, a plus c, a square plus ac plus c square, 0. See beta, c cancel. B minus a. Here c square cancel. B square, you can write square terms one side. BC minus AC. 1 c square c cube. Okay. After that, see, a minus c into b minus c whole into determinant of 0, a plus c, a square plus ac plus c square, 1, sorry, not 1, 0, b minus a. From here, only you observe here, b square minus a square. That means a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Correct beta? From here you common c plus c, b minus a. Okay. Next, 1 c square c cube. From R2 you common B minus A na. Okay, I will write direct ma. Okay, ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి నాన్న, కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. A minus C into B minus C whole into, sorry, we will comment here B minus A also. 0 A plus C, A square plus AC plus C square, 0 1 B plus A plus C, 1 C square and C cube. Okay, now determine plus minus plus. Okay, A minus C. See beta, A minus C or C minus A. Take minus C minus A. Minus into plus minus C, minus into minus plus A. Okay, B minus C. Here you can common one minus. A minus B. Okay, into 0 into anything 0, sorry, minus A plus C into this one beta, 0 minus B minus A minus C plus A square plus AC plus C square into 0 minus 1. Minus into minus plus, C minus A into B minus C into A minus B into minus of A plus C into minus A minus B minus C. You common minus also. Okay, minus into minus plus. Okay, plus into minus, minus A square plus into minus minus AC minus C square. A minus B into B minus C into C minus A whole into A square plus AB plus AC plus AC plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AC minus C square. Okay, cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, now A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus AC plus BC or CB. Okay, therefore determinant of 1 A square A cube 1 B square B cube 1 C square C cube equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus BC plus CA or AC. Both are same beta. So LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Next beta, listen. If omega is complex, means non-real number. Okay, complex cube root of 1, then అంటే ఏం లేదన్నా 1 ప్లస్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ ఎప్పటికీ కూడా 0 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇది మనకు మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి ఇది. ఓకే, అయితే వాళ్ళు ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయమంటున్నారు? వాట్ దే షో దట్ what will prove 1 omega square 1 omega square 1 omega equal to 0. So solution given LHS 1 omega square 1 square 1 omega. Okay, in R1 we will add R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3. R2ని R3ని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయలేదు కదన్నా, రైట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, నేను ఇందాకే చెప్పాను 1 ప్లస్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ 0. సో 0 0 0 ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ 1 ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ 1 ఒమేగా. సీమా ఎప్పటికైనా కూడా ఏదైనా రో అన్న కాలం అన్న ప్రాపర్టీస్ చెప్పాను కదా నేను. రో అన్న కాలం అన్న టోటల్గా 0 అయితే దాని యొక్క డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ RHS. therefore 1 omega square 1 omega square 1 omega value is 0. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Take care to all of you.